Queensland's controversial anti-bikie laws have survived a High Court challenge. The government is claiming a victory, but the bikies' lawyers aren't finished yet. Here's state political reporter Melinda Howes.
The Attorney-General returned to the scene of last year's Broadbeach bikie brawl, which prompted the tough new laws.
The decision handed down today is for Queenslanders. It's a win for Queenslanders.
The laws include additional penalties for club members and associates and bans on operating certain businesses such as tattoo parlours. Tattooist and Hells Angels member Stefan Kujborski became the test case backed by the United Motorcycle Council. But he hadn't been charged with any offence under the VLAD laws, so that part of the challenge was struck out. The High Court unanimously held that the plaintiff lacked standing to seek a declaration that those laws were invalid.
Of course we're disappointed, I was looking forward to taking the family out to a restaurant tonight and eating a dinner at a pub without fear of being arrested.
The Premier seemed pleasantly surprised.
But the anti-association elements have been upheld, which is an interesting decision by the court as well to go that bit extra to get behind those parts of these strong measures.
The bikie legal team also argued that the laws are unconstitutional because they make the courts do the bidding of the Parliament when it comes to sentencing and bail decisions. The majority of the court rejected that claim. Other challenges on other grounds are being considered.
There's questions of money because this is a very expensive exercise. However, people's rights are at stake here and there's really no other way of dealing with people's rights when they're infringed.
Campbell Newman says other states and territories should be taking note.
I do indeed respectfully suggest to other state jurisdictions that they have a good look at this now.
Queenslanders will give their verdict on the laws at the ballot box next year. Labor has promised to repeal them. Melinda Howes, ABC News.